Hello everyone. As always, just let me know in chat if you can hear me. Hey Rick, first one to the stream. 𝐿𝐿, 𝐿𝐿, Sneaky, Crestal, DJ Power. Let me turn on slow mode quickly. But yeah, welcome back everybody. More options. Let's see. Slow mode, we'll do 15 seconds. Okay, let's check out the chat. See you guys in there. Hello everyone. Nice to see so many of you already. MacDog. Eric. Yeah, oh, hello everyone. Welcome back to another Saturday live stream. How are you all doing? Let me know in chat how your week's been. How's my day? My day's going great, thank you. I'm from Indonesia. My love to Indonesia. Hope everywhere, wherever you are in the world, you're doing good. Plot twist is in the remake right now. Yeah, I wish. We're not quite that progressed, but we'll see. We're doing some coding today again. And we've kind of got, well, we've got two things lined up this stream. So we've got some remake coding, but then also some of the people from my Discord have been working on a little server. If you're an OG live stream fan, you might have seen this. I think it's probably over a month ago we did it now, but we tried to test their server they've been making, and we kind of had some performance issues. It kind of kept crashing, but we're going to try again today, see if it works. So yeah, exciting stuff. So yeah, we'll do that at the second half of the live stream. But for now, we're going to be doing some remake coding. And as said in the title, we're mainly going to be focusing on NPC shops. So if you don't know what I mean by that, we'll quickly go to the main lobby or something like that. And if we go down here, for some reason on Badline Client, that doesn't seem to show skin. Oh, it's showing his skin. Well, I don't know. Either way, it's a bit weird on Badline Client. But as you can see up on the real remake, they've got plenty of shops which you just right-click to open. Whereas right now, none of those are currently in our remake. So yeah, that's kind of our main priority. And yeah, I saw someone ask if I finished Pets yet. I have not finished Pets yet. However, lots of my developers needed NPC shops for various reasons. Or just NPC menus in general. So if you've been seeing the leaks, you could probably make a couple of guesses about what needs a menu to it. But yeah, we're going to be doing NPC shops today. Will you do Slayers soon? Well, we've got a developer, the Carrot. Here's his name. He's been working on Slayers, but I've had nothing to do with it. But he's making some pretty good progress, so we'll see. We'll see when that comes out. Yeah, if you want to get your phone requests in, I'll stay on the real Hypixel for a little bit longer so I can accept them, and then we'll move to the remake. So I'll just read a couple more chat questions if anyone has any. Damn, I'm late. No, we just started about 3 minutes ago, so not too bad. I guess you're technically late, but we can forgive you. How do you make the Skyblock menu to be fixed to the 9th slot? So he means this. Well, I'm in the real version right now, but that was simply by just clearing the menu or detecting if they had more than one of these. So if they had 2 of these, then they knew you duplicated it and then it would clear it. How did you make the NPCs? Well, I originally made the NPCs, I think a long time ago now, but we got a revamped version from one of our devs called Silicat, or Sillycat, I don't really know how you pronounce it, but yeah, he basically redid them, so they're a lot nicer now. They've got like the wavy arms and everything. They're basically a flawless recreation. So you'd have to ask him how he did his improved version. But my version, I downloaded the skins, and then I used something called Blockbench to make custom models of NPCs. Are you going to apply for YouTube rank? I have. I applied the day before I hit 30k because it said you were allowed to apply a little bit early. So I applied a bit early. But they've got, basically they didn't have many people working on applications over the Christmas or December break, whatever you call it. Yes, they've got kind of a big backlog of YouTubers who they've got to check out. But they'll get to us eventually. We haven't been denied. I know a lot of people keep asking, either thinking A, I haven't applied, or B, that I've been denied. But it's neither. You know, they're very busy, so they'll get to us eventually. But yeah, it'll be exciting stuff if we do get it. It'll be a really exciting day. What's your IGN? It is BlueCommands. I'll just press tab there. You should be able to see it. It's also in the description of the video. So yeah, it's just BlueCommands. Are you going to add pet skins? Well, probably not with the pets update. Which, yeah, probably not with pets update, but we will eventually get to them, yeah. But they're not really a huge priority right now. Mainly because, you know, I think the funnest part of pets isn't really being able to change their skin. It's more being able to, you know, use them. So, are you going to make Dwarven Mines? Well, last live stream we did a bit of work on that. Shout out to anybody who was in last live stream. But yeah, we downloaded the map and we started getting the locations on the side. But as you can see, depending on where I am, it changes. So if I move into the graveyard, as you know, it'll pop up with eventually graveyard. Yeah. So we're basically writing down all of the locations in the deep cavern so we could start doing that. So yeah, the world, being able to travel to the deep caverns will probably be in version 2, but the actual functionality, you know, the mining update, all that, that's not coming for a while. Blue_Commander is available, someone says. Rui Kashai. Probably butchered that, I'm sorry. But yeah, I don't know. I think I prefer BlueCommands. It was really annoying because Blue Commander, when I first created my channel, that wasn't available. But I think it was early last year, like the January of last year, it became available, and I didn't notice until it had already been taken again. So that got me very salty. It was available for a couple of months. But yeah, that was probably my one chance to be able to get the Blue Commander name, and I'm never going to get it now. So yeah, I think we'll move to the remake very shortly. I guess let's have another look at how the NPC menus work, because that's what we're going to be... Well, not just NPC menus, just not NPC shops, just any NPC menu, really. So, for example, you know, this is also an NPC menu, hypothetically. That's all I'm going to say. But yeah, mainly just things when you right-click, it opens a menu. That's what we're going to be doing. So, yeah. I think we should get started. So, let me open up 1.16. I don't know whether I should close my Badline, because I might need to go back to it to have a look at screenshots and, you know, look at the items and all sorts, but I guess I could minimize it, but then I'll have 2 Minecrafts, which might be a bit laggy. Yeah, we'll just log off, and if we need to go back on, we can. Okay, nice. No, so close. I'm assuming you are trying to get a friend request. I'm sorry. I'll probably, like I said, need to join back onto Real Hypixel to have a look at the menu. So there'll probably be plenty of time, plenty of opportunities this stream to get it in. But yeah, let's just open the remake folder here. We can go into the data pack, and I'll just open this in Visual Studio Code, which is what I use to code and stuff like that. Let that load up, and I'll also load up the actual world. So I'll just stop talking because it'll probably make my voice really laggy when it's trying to load my world. I'll just read chat for a minute, see if I can see any good questions or anything. Anything nice. I love the Saturday streams. Thank you, Gal. I'm glad you guys like them. They're fun to do. Okay, we're in. Oh no, my island's a slight mess. We may be experimenting with something here, but But yeah, we don't have to worry about that for now. How do I use your NPC skin mod? Well, it's actually a version, not a mod, so that might be where you're having troubles. It has to go into the versions folder. But yeah, I don't really recommend using it unless you really need a skin, because it's not that good at all. Can you make it so the custom head... sorry, I'm just trying to read this. Can you make it so with the custom head commands you can change pet skins when you add generator? Well, as I said, I probably won't be doing pet skins with the pets. Like when I add pets in a version, it probably won't come at the same time. But when we eventually get around to adding pet skins, then yeah, for sure. Builders one question mark. Well, we'll see. We'll see. But yeah, so let's get our folders up. So we want to find where we have the NPC come. Oh, actually, we might not want to do that. Okay, so yeah, I'm thinking we'll go in here. Let me just close. Oh, I've got loads of files I don't want you guys to see. Let me close them. Things we've got in the making, which I don't want to spoil yet. Close that. Close that. Okay, cool. I think I can put this up here now. Can you join Hypixel again? I want to get my friend request. We'll join shortly. We'll join shortly. Blue, when you clear the menu page for an item instead of 27 replace item, you could just use data modify items. I don't remember exactly where in the code you're referring to there, but you could be right. It's possible. I quite often make mistakes when I'm rushing my code. Yeah, so if we go up to this guy and go /tag @entity distance equals ... to list, we should be able to see all the tags this NPC has. So he has, these are my tags. We don't have to worry about that. So he's got mine merchant. And then he's got this other stuff. But the main one we're focused on is mine merchant, right? So we'll go into our code. I'm just trying to decide, still trying to decide a good place to put our NPC menu code into. I guess it'll probably be appropriate if we put it into this one here, because it's the menu folder. Yeah, so we'll open this. So this is our menu main. And just at the bottom here, well, it's in the middle somewhere. Doesn't particularly matter where we do it. Here will do. We can just create a new line here, and we'll call this NPC shops. Oh, I've just realised my music's not playing. Let me turn that on. Let me know how loud it is, whether it needs to be quieter or louder or whatever. Help me make my Hypixel Skyblock remake work. Well, all of our code is open source, so you guys feel free to take a look at it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, there we go. So the first step is, I guess, seeing if a player is within 6 blocks of an NPC, because that means they're actually in right-clicking distance, right? So to do that, we'll want to go execute as all players. As all players, right there. If entity @entity tag equals, and then we want to get this one. We want to get detailed underscore NPC. Detailed underscore NPC. Distance equals within 6 blocks, we'll say. And if that's true, we can have run, say, nearby, just as a test to see if that works. Music fine, music too quiet, music too loud. Okay, we've got a bit of everything, so I guess we'll just go in the middle and leave it as it is. So yeah, if we reload now. Hello G Universals, or Q Universals, sorry. Yeah, so it says nearby, but if we walk away from this guy, as you can see, it no longer says it, but if we slowly walk towards him, when we get around 6 blocks, it should start saying, yeah, as you can see there. Okay, cool. So obviously we don't want it to say hi, or nearby, or whatever we got it to say. We want it to open our menu. So, next step, we want to see if they're actually looking at them. So obviously it's all well and good that we're nearby him, but we also want to make sure we're looking at him and not just, like this. So to do that, we're going to have to do a raycast or a ray trace, depending on what you want to call it. So we'll go functions or function menu : we'll just create a new folder called NPC menu / check. We'll call it look check or something like that. I fill out war inside the chat about whether the music's too loud, quiet, or perfect. Isn't it 3 blocks? It could be, yeah. We'll test it in a minute. We'll see what looks good. Obviously, it's possible that we're completely off. I think the block placing distance is 6 blocks, but the actual right-clicking an NPC menu could be a lot closer. I'm not sure. So we want to create our menu, NPC_menu. That's our folder, sorry. And then we create. I might have a function similar which I can just copy and paste actually. Yeah, I think scan ahead might be similar. So yeah, NPC menu. We'll call this look_check. Like so. Yep, looks good to me. And what this basically does here, our look check function, it's saying, okay, we don't want this bit here. We want to have like so. So if entity detail NPC is equal to, we'll do something like this. I'll explain what we're doing as soon as I finish modifying this to our correct purpose. Looking and nearby. Looks good to me. So yeah, what we're doing here, let me explain this. We execute out all the players, so every player in the world, we see if they're within 6 blocks of an NPC, and if we are, this function basically moves forward 1 block at a time and has a look if you're actually looking at the NPC. And if you are, it's going to say looking and nearby. So, unless I've messed something up, this should work. So let's reload. I'm seeing a lot of 3 blockers saying it's 3 blocks, so we'll change that in a minute. Let's just see if this works first. So now, if we walk close to him, as you can see, although we're nearby, we're not looking at him, so it's not working. But if we go like this, it's still not going to work. Oh no, it's because it didn't want to go through this block here. I think. I'm not really sure. Maybe if instead of doing that, we change this dx equals 0 to distance equals ... 1. That might fix it. Or ... 1.5. Didn't mean to close that function there. Let's get it back open. We'll also change it to 3 blocks while we are on topic. There we go. So reload. In what language am I writing? I'm writing in the Minecraft command block language. So whenever you type slash and then a command, we're basically making the whole game out of just using these things here. So yeah, it's quite a challenge, but well, we've done quite a lot so far. Okay, this. So as you can see here, it's working if we're looking around the top of his head, but the bottom where his feet are isn't working. So, to fix that, we want to go not in capitals, positioned, and we'll position it 1 block down and then see if it's within 1.5. We'll try this, see how good this works. Are there things like variables and lists in Minecraft command languages? Well, there's something called a slash scoreboard. There's scoreboards, which are basically this thing here, the thing on the right of your screen, and you can kind of use them as variables. So yeah, that's kind of the trick behind it all. Okay, is this going to work? Kind of, not really. I think it's executing from this armor stand here, so maybe we need to go even further down, I'm not sure. It's the kind of thing you need a bit of trial and error to get it nice. The x equals 0. Let's see what this does. Left click is 3, right is 6. We've got a lot of varying opinions, so we'll have to experiment this in real Hypixel. Hello, Blaze Pro Cool Hater. Okay, let's see what happens. Okay, now we need to look even higher. Oh, I've done the opposite of what we wanted to achieve. Instead of being positioned -2, we want to do position 2, I think. Hopefully you can see my screen still when I've screened my game. Let me know if you can't. Please leave the words in the description. Well, we already have linked in the description of the video another video, which is where I released version 1. You can still see... Okay, thank you, that's good. Okay. Let's change this to 1.5. Yeah, what was I talking about again? I've completely lost track. Oh yeah. I think I was getting on to when version 2 would be releasing. So there's a lot of people asking in chat about when version 2 will be happening. And, well, I can't really give you an exact date yet because we don't know a date or day or anything like that yet. But we are working very hard. We've got a lot planned up. The thing is, we have so much planned up that I'm not even sure if pets will be in version 2 because we've got so much for version 2, we may as well do pets in version 3. Because whoever wasn't here last week, we basically made a poll on my Twitter where we asked, would it be better to have big updates less often or small updates more frequently? And a resounding answer was more updates less... Yeah, more updates... No, let me try this again. I'm trying to wrap my head around this. Yeah, more updates... Am I going into... Yeah, more updates with less content. That's what I was trying to say. I don't know how I struggled so much with that. Yeah, so more people wanted more frequent updates with less in them. So if we do that, then pets will probably be version 3. But that sounds like a bad thing. But that basically just means that we can get version 2 out faster. Does that make sense? I feel like I explained that awfully, but yeah. Hopefully that made sense. But let's try this guy. Okay, let's have a look at this. Have I broken him? He doesn't want to work anymore. Okay, we'll do this. I feel like this might be good. Version 1.1 maybe somebody says. Well, I think we'll have like the points, like the 1.1, 1.2. We'll give them to like our beta testers and our developers to trial out. And then, so long as there's no bugs, then we'd give, you know, version 2 as the public version. This guy does not want to cooperate with me, which is mean. This was meant to be the easy part, so... We'll move it back up to 6 blocks radius just for now, just for testing purposes. We'll also remove this part for testing. Like that. I see someone saying their game is crashing when they try to load. Well, first of all, make sure you followed all the installation steps because, well, it was more complicated than normal. Oh, .0.6, not just 0.6. Oh yeah, thank you for spotting that. That would have taken me a year to spot if I hadn't got the amazing cat to help me out. But yeah, if you're having trouble loading the world, make sure you test if you followed all the installation steps, and if you have, I recommend just slowly increasing a little bit more RAM at a time if you have enough to do that, and see if that fixes it, because, oh, this is looking quite good. Mostly anyway. Okay, this is kind of working now, which is good news if it does. Like this. Let's try that. Oh, this is looking quite good. No, wait. Did I do the opposite I want to achieve? Yeah, I did. I'm being such a noob today. Did you get YouTube rank? We are still working on that. I applied, but... Oh, my game's going to not respond. That's fun. You love to see it. Here we go. Okay, this is pretty good now. You know what? We'll just do this. We'll do like... what was I trying to do? We'll have like this kind of thing. Like one at 1 block, one at 0, and then turn this down. Rick says he has to go, but have a good stream. Thank you, thank you. I hope you enjoy whatever you're doing. Is there Hyperion? I can't find it. Hyperion is not in version 1. No, I'm afraid it's not. But you might not have to be waiting very long. So I wouldn't worry. Okay, this is looking pretty good. Let's see here. Okay. I think we've more or less mastered it now. Do I want to do this? What are you doing? Right now we're basically trying to find out the range, or we're trying to detect when a player's looking at an NPC, and then when we do that we can just make a menu open. So it's a seemingly simple thing, but apparently I'm struggling. Okay, let's have a look. Oh, this is looking very good. Oh, there's a little bit in the middle where it doesn't... Actually, quite a bit in the middle. Okay. I believe in this. I'm even more confident than ever. How old are you? I am 17. Yep. For some reason that always surprises people. But yeah, I'm 17. Didn't mean to do that. Okay, nice. I think we've done it. Okay, now we're looking at his body. It says our message. So yeah, I think we've done that. Okay, now we just have to add back the following. There we go, there it is. So yeah, basically what this bit here does, this is what we just added back, it checks that you aren't looking through a wall. So, as you can see at the moment I can do something like this, and it still says I'm looking at him, which is not ideal. But if I reload, there you go, it's not going to detect it because I'm looking at a block. Oh, it's actually just not particularly wanting to work in general now. Have I broken something? Oh, I know I did. I've been really dumb. I was wondering why we're having issues, but this is the sole reason why we're having issues. Okay, that's kind of annoying. Basically, I was executing from the player's feet instead of their head. Okay, so let's try this. And now it's too low down. Okay, we basically need to just raise all of these by 1.62-ish blocks. So, 0.6 plus 1.6. That is 2.2. And this is... hold on, chat, I can do this. 2.8. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, I haven't completely failed at maths yet. Doing great things, man. Thank you, Zephyr. I appreciate that. Hello. How have I messed this up again, chat? Coding is hard. Yeah, I feel you. I feel you. What am I doing wrong? We're executing 1.6 blocks higher, so I raise these by 1.6. Oh, should they be 1.6 lower? Yeah, I think they should maybe be 1.6 lower. So they should be minus 1... Oops. Minus 1.6. This is the only thing I can think of. So yeah, minus 1.6, minus 1. And then minus 0.4. Okay, if that doesn't work, I'm going to be very confused. It's funny how the music stopped at the same time you figured out the issue. It sounded like it was edited. That's convenient. Okay, nice, we've got it working again. But this time, we should have fixed the block issue. So yeah, as I was saying a moment ago, you could before look through blocks, but now, as you can see, the messages don't appear if I'm looking at the block. However, there is a slight issue with this, is if I do something like this, I can still technically see him, but stairs are counted as a block, so I can't right-click him through this. So what we're going to have to do to fix that is we're going to have to go to here, tags, no, tags, blocks, And at the moment, we're using this tag. We're using something called air. So this is what we're counting as the players allowed to look through. So we're basically saying they're allowed to look through air, water, and the flowers and stuff like that, right? But we also now want to change it so they can also look through stairs and slabs. That's basically what we're trying to change this to. So to fix that, we're going to right click and copy this. And we're going to name this allowed, including half blocks. I don't know, that's a terrible name. I don't know why that was a good idea, but something nice and simple like that. Hello Trilly. Hello 𝐎𝐭𝐡𝐞𝐫. This man is a Chad, he doesn't cut corners at all. Call it semi-air. Yeah, that's a much better of a name. Semi-air. Thank you. Much better than my name, which was basically a sentence long. So yeah, we just want to add to the bottom of this. If I do that, we want to add, okay, what blocks other than flowers and air have holes? I guess this flower pot here. Oh no, I think I can already look through flower pots. Yeah, I can. Is flower pot on the list already? Yeah, I've already got flower pot on the list, that's why. But we don't have stairs, so I want to go execute, oops, execute in. Oh no, execute if block. Hashtag, what's the name of it? Do they already have one, is the question. Oh, they already do. Okay, so there's a built-in Minecraft tag called Minecraft:stairs, apparently. Which is going to be very useful. That means we can simply just copy and paste that in. And now it will apply to stairs. Do they have one for slabs? They do. Okay, this is really good. Unless this is a Optifine feature, but I doubt Optifine would add tags. Okay, so that's stairs and slabs added. What else is there? Beds. I mean, technically there's beds, but I don't think any NPCs are next to a bed, so we don't have to worry about that. Buttons. Buttons not... No, buttons already on the list. Carpets on the list already. Ladders. Have I got ladder here? I guess you couldn't really look through a ladder either way, could you? So, okay, so anything else in this list I've missed? Let's have a look. I think we're good, you know. I think it's just those two things. Oh, fences maybe. Well, you can't really look through a fence. Okay, I think we're going to assume they're the only two. Which means I might actually be able to get away with doing something like this. If I go... So I think we might be able to use a tag within a tag, so we can have Skyblock allowed. Like this. So yeah, now semi-air is that tag plus the stairs and slabs tag. And that should work. I don't see any reason why it wouldn't. Okay, well no errors, so that's a good sign. Okay, and then let's change our look check to include Skyblock. Instead of allowed, we're going semi-air, our brand new tag we just made. Slash reload. Let's have a look. Signs, you can see through standing signs. I feel like if you right-clicked... If you're trying to right-click an NPC through a sign, that probably wouldn't work, would it? I don't know. Maybe. Okay, so now let's see if this worked. So if we create our little... Will it let us look through this? It will. Okay, nice. As you can see, it's still spamming chat. If I look away, no. But as soon as I look... Perfect. Okay, that's really good. Okay, so we've now got our detecting done. So it won't just work for this one too. I can also go up to this guy. Or, I don't know, this guy down here. And it'll say we're looking at him. So, let's create another function then. So let's go back to our menu folder. Functions, NPC menu. Okay, we'll name this NPC_found. and we'll make this function call that function. NPC underscore found, like so. Perfect. And let's see. So what we want to do is, well, I guess not all NPCs are menu NPCs. So we kind of need to add tags to all of the NPCs which are menu NPCs, and then only do this for those. So what I mean by that is we're going to change our message saying looking and nearby and a shop NPC. So they're all of our conditions for an NPC shop menu, or just any NPC menu. Right, and then we're going to want to change this if entity detailed NPC to something shop related or menu related. So we're going to go tag at entity who already has the tag of detailed tag, detailed NPC. That was the tag we were previously using. Yep. Distance equals .2. Add menu NPC. Actually, I've got an even better idea. Okay, even better idea, chat. So we're going to create a new scoreboard, actually, which are these variables I was talking about. So in here, we're going to go... Where's a good spot to put it? I guess just up the top will do. Okay, so we're naming this M underscore NPC menu page. So, actually, will this work? I think when you move away from the NPC, it might remove the... I'd have to ask 𝐿𝐿𝐴𝐻𝐿. 𝐿𝐿𝐴𝐻𝐿𝐴's in the chat. He's the one who designed the NPCs. If I give one of these NPCs a scoreboard, is it going to remove it when I walk away from it? If you could let me know, that'd be really good. I'm sure even if it does, we could probably think of a workaround. Okay, well for now we'll assume we can at least think of a workaround, even if it does. You need to give the name armor stand a score, I'm being told. Okay, we'll do that. So if we go say at entity distance equals .2. So as you can see here, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 entities behind this NPC here. And the named one, I think he's referring to is the one called Mine Merchant. Correct me if I'm wrong there, but I'm pretty sure that's the one he's talking about. I'm not sure which one that is actually. Tag equals detailed NPC. Okay, it's not the one with the tag of detailed NPC. Slash tag list. So it has the tag of, oops, NPC name. I'm guessing it's that one. That's the one. Yeah. Okay. That will make sense, I guess. Okay. So what we want to do then is go into look check. We might have to create another one called score check then. Oh no, we can add it here. If score at entity tag equals... No, we'll move this to another function. I've changed my mind. So we go to NPC menu. So we got look check, and now we're going to add a new one called menu check. Right? And then we're going to open this up like so. And we're going to have execute. We're going to use this basically. So we're going to say execute if score NPC main sort equals nearest limit equals 1 scores is equal to this new scoreboard made? So yeah, let me explain this. So now we've got our... We've tested to see if we're looking at an NPC. We are, so we're going to run menu check. And then in menu check, it's basically going to test if it is an NPC with a menu. So not all NPCs have menus. For example, this one does because it opens your the mine shop. But then, for example, this guy here, good old Lynn, he just gives you some text in chat. He's a bit boring, but yeah. So we need to basically see which one, or this one too, for example. This one shouldn't be saying stuff in chat because he doesn't actually have a menu, or she doesn't have a menu to her. So this new test we're adding is going to see whether they are or not, or whether they should have a menu open. How can you instantly reload the function without saving it? I do save it. I just type /control. I do Control S. So as you can see on the top, if it's got a white mark, that means it's unsaved. Control S just saves it for me, instead of doing file save. But I just spam that all the time, so that's why. Oh, Farm Merchant does have an NPC menu. Oh, okay, well that's a bad example then, but you guys kind of get what I mean. So yeah, if score matches one or more, and then we're going to run NPC found, which is our updated text. So let's reload this and give it a shot. It might not work, it might, we'll see. /reload. By the way, if you guys are enjoying the stream, it'd be really appreciated if you could like it. Previous streams, some people just genuinely forget, and then when I remind them, we immediately get a ton of likes. So if you are enjoying, that'd be really nice of you. So as you can see right now, it's not going to do our message because this guy, we haven't told the system that these guys should have menus. So right now it's going to do nothing. But if we go up to this guy and go /scoreboard players set @entity tag equals NPC name, sort equals nearest, limit equals 1, and we're going to set its NPC menu page to 1 for a random example, it's now going to spam it. Whereas if I go up to this guy, still not going to spam. If I, walk off and come back, hopefully he's still going to spam. Yeah, as you can see, looking at nearby an NPC shop. Okay, that's probably the most complicated part done, really. Oh, we actually got a ton of likes. Thank you, everyone. Thank you. Oh, hello, 𝐭𝐴 in the chat. You helped me last week with the Dwarven Mines, didn't you? I remember you. Okay, so NPC shop. NPC found. What we're going to do is we're going to have... So at this point, it's safe to open a player's menu, isn't it? So what we want to do is... Okay, well, we can close that now. And that too. And to... I'm going to want to create a menu, really. Okay, so let's find the best way to do that. Well, we've already got a menu system kind of in place, so we can probably use the existing stuff. Have you got YouTube rank? I do not yet, but I have applied. I haven't been rejected. They're just they've got a lot of applications, so they're working on it. Where was I looking? Okay, we'll do Anvil, for example, because Anvil already has a block menu we can take from. Where am I looking? Menu. Okay, maybe that's a bad example then, because I can't find it. Functions, enchanting table. Block. Yeah, this is what I kind of want, I think. Okay, that'll do at least. Okay, we'll copy these two then, these two functions, and we'll move that to our NPC menu code. Summon menu and close. Okay, we're gonna have to edit these slightly to for our purposes, but let's just have a look at them. I think you used another armor stand than I did for all my scores. It doesn't really matter, but I used the one detailed NPC and player tags. I'm not really sure what you mean, Silicat. Why can't you do large storage menus? Because basically my whole system works around chest minecarts. Yeah, so if I right click it, as you can see, it opens like so, and you get our 3x3, or our 3x9, which these menus work off. And there's no way to have a double chested chest minecart, so that's why. It's a shame, but it was kind of the best option. Okay, we'll just change this up a little bit, so yeah, I think this is what we want. Yeah, it's kind of what we want. Okay, well, we'll just use this for now then, and give it a try. So what we want to go is function. Actually, what I'm going to quickly have a look at is if I go into stats, functions, calculate, stats. Okay, I'm just looking at this for my sake so I can quickly remind myself, check I'm doing things right. Yeah, I think I'm mostly doing it right. Okay, we'll just try this. So we'll go function menu colon NPC menu slash summon menu, or execute if entity at s tag equals menu. I think that's the tag I'm looking for. It is. Okay. So yeah, if they already have a menu open, we're going to close it, which is this. And then we're going to open our new one, which is here. Tag test remove NPC menu. NPC menu open, and in here we'll add it. Tag s add NPC menu open. Nice. And then in here we're going to go into this stuff and apply it. Here and here. So yeah, we're basically overriding the default system, because normally if you're not holding the 9th slot, it will just remove your menu, because it's like, oh, well, you're no longer holding the menu item, so you shouldn't. But we're going to override that so it keeps the menu, because we're looking at our NPC. Music stop, let me start that again. Yeah, so we'll probably have errors with this. I've probably messed it up somehow, but I think we can just give this a try and see what happens. Yeah, I'm happy with this. Although we also need to have a closing option. Right now it won't actually remove our menu ever. So I want something similar to this, but we need to change the tag slightly. So yeah, we're going to say, as all players with an NPC menu open, if there isn't an NPC nearby, we'll remove the menu. Yeah. I think that's good. More or less. Yeah, we close. Thank you for the the blue simps in chat. Okay, I feel like this is going to be slightly wrong. I'm trying to work out why. Yeah, let me just wrap my head around what I've just coded. Yeah, so we need to say if they don't have the tag. That's what we want to do. We open. Okay. And then well, I just checked back on chat and then there's like 1,000 more blue simps than there was last time. How are you doing today, Blue Commander? I'm doing really good, thank you. How are you doing, Mr. Toad? Okay, this isn't going to be perfect, but we're going to see if this is somewhat working, you know. Base case scenario, I think our menu will appear, but it won't be anything like, it won't have any of the contents which we want or anything like that. And it probably won't remove itself as it should. Let's try. Okay, I've just removed the resource pack, so everything can look really weird, but this is just so I can see whether the... Okay, our menu was created, as you can see, NPC menu. It kind of moves around with me. But if I look away, it stays. That's the only issue. It removes when I walk 6 blocks away from it. So if I'm no longer in range, it removes it. But if I'm looking away, it stays. So yeah, we're kind of there. This is kind of what I thought was going to happen. So that's not bad. I'm happy with that. It's working as I expected it to. But yeah, we need to... That just means in look check, which is back in our menu functions over here. Look check. In this here, we want to tag the player with something. I'm going to go execute. Oh, I know what we want to do. We want to change this back to all players. So we want this to run all the time. And then we want to run menu check 2. Yeah, we want to change this to if entity attest tag equals like so. Looks good to me. And then here we want to have execute if entity attest tag equals. So if they do have a menu open and they are not within 6 blocks. Run NPC close. Okay, this is, I think this should work. Let me just double check what I've just written. Okay, I'm happy to give this a try, see what happens. What did I miss? So basically, we've been working on NPC shop menu still. And as you can see, I should probably re-enable the resource pack, but I've currently got the resource pack off, so these look weird. But if I walk up to this guy, oh, now it's going to spam it. Okay, well, you came at a bad time, we've got a problem, but we're basically making a menu appear when you look at an NPC, if they should have a menu. So yeah, that's what we're doing right now. Yeah, okay. So I'm just gonna be quiet for like 30 seconds. I need to brainstorm what's going on here in my head. So yeah, right now this bit here, this looks for the NPC you're looking at, and if it finds it, it goes to this function here. So I guess we could add a tag here, like tag add tag add NPC menu found. And then if it doesn't have that tag, it runs close. And then close, we remove that again. Okay, I think it should work. I'm somewhat more confident in this. Okay, let's try that. And let's see. Looking good. If I walk away, it gets deleted. Okay. And what if I look away? Ah, it's staying if I look away. That's annoying. Tag attest list. Let's see. It's finding our NPC. Tag get all players, remove NPC found. That should fix it, maybe. Hello, JF Hacker, Senpai Playing, ProCube Gaming. Hope everyone's doing well. Okay, nice. If I look away now, or if I walk away, our menu is deleted. Wait, did it just get... well, it's not perfect, but it's kind of working. Yeah, it's kind of working. More or less. There seems to be this weird bit. Let me turn the resource pack on. So as you can see, when I right click this guy, it now shows your menu. If I'm right clicking right now, nothing. But if I look at this guy, we're getting our menu. I think there's this little grey patch here. Yeah, if I look directly at this one spot there, for some reason it doesn't know that we're looking. Yeah, so I'll do something like that, maybe. That might fix it. So let's just reload. Okay, I think we fixed that. Okay, nice. Can we have some hypes in the chat, everybody? We've got a menu to appear when you look at him. Okay, we can also remove that piece of text. We don't need that anymore. Okay, very cool. That took way too much effort. That should have been simpler than it was. Yeah, so now it also doesn't show text message in chat. So it's kind of a seamless transition. Yeah, I could be looking at this guy 1 second, and a little chat, come back, and boom, menu opens instantly. Okay, now we want to actually display something, right? And if you were here earlier, you might have remembered to make the system know that this was our NPC. What I did is I gave him this scoreboard value. So I gave him a NPC menu page scoreboard value of 1. And now what we can do now is something like, if I go into summon menu here, right now it uses -1 as the default page. But if I go scoreboard players operation, current page is equal to @s's. Oh, it wouldn't be @s actually. Who would it be? It would be in here somewhere. No, not that. Menu check. See if we can do this. I think we should be able to make it so it automatically opens the page with the same ID as this value, I think. So that might be a bit confusing, but let's just see if it works before I explain that. So if I right click this guy now, fingers crossed. Yeah, as you can see, it looks slightly weird, but we've got a menu showing here. It's a very goofy page, but if I go to open menus here, this is an ID. So each of a value corresponds to a certain page. So I could change our value to say 99. So if I go up to this NPC here and set that value to 99, I believe if I look at him, it shows our other get items page. Sorry if you can hear my dog barking in the background, but okay, there is obviously a couple of issues with it. When I first look, it's immediately giving us the items, which is a bit of a problem. But as you can see, there's definitely potential here to have a really easy way to give it a menu. So this means we'd be able to make menus using the same system as our menu here, as this one. But yeah, we need to look into why that's happening. Let's do that quickly. So I don't quite know why that would be happening. Let's have a look. The thing is, it doesn't happen for normal pages, so I don't really know why I would for this one. Let's quickly say hello chat. Let's see how many times this command is running. How does the GUI work? Did you use a texture pack? Yeah, so sorry, I kind of skipped a stage there. We went from it saying a message to instantly opening a menu, but basically I'm using the same system as this thing. And that uses a chest minecart. So if I disable my resource pack for a second, you'll be able to see exactly what's going on. And as you can see, as soon as I'm holding this, it's putting a chest minecart to my head. And yeah, this menu here is literally just a chest minecart. So that's kind of how the menu system works. There was alternative methods we could have maybe done, but that just seemed like the strongest idea by miles. So yeah, that's what we did. Yeah, so let's have a look. One of my developers suggested maybe the menu delay score was wrong, but I have set it. It's set here. So I don't think that can be it. Oh, my dog's barking again. So, what could be the issue? Maybe if I just remove that. I doubt... that might completely break it. I don't even know whether that's needed or can't remember anymore. But let's see what happens if I remove that line at the bottom there. Oh, dog barking again. You'll have to see it. Okay, it's still appearing. So I guess that command was basically pointless. I don't know. Maybe if I do this... I could remove both of those maybe and see what happens. I don't know. There must be something in this function which is causing it. How'd you get the remake? First link in the description, there'll be a video talking about how to install it, what's in version 1, all that kind of stuff. Okay, well now we brokered the menu, so that's something. Okay, well it doesn't... So we definitely need this command then. We need the click element part. Yeah. Yeah, that makes sense. What if I go... What if I try the carrots idea of just increasing the page delay? Let's have a look. See what happens here. No, unfortunately that does not fix it. The page works is the weird thing. And it also lets you go to sub-pages, so I can open up our materials page and it will take me to here. But when I first go open it, yeah, it gives me the items. Okay, let's go have a look. If I remove that line, let's go have a look in the page specifically then and see what's causing that. I expect that it's... Actually, I don't really know what that could be. Maybe I need to go execute... I've got an idea. Let's see if this works. Execute as... What I might try to do is basically manually refresh the page, see if that fixes anything. So yeah, to do that, we'd want to go to... Where is it? This bit down here. Yes, chest main. Yeah, like so. Yeah, so I'm thinking if we go attest as new menu, and then it opens chest main. Chest main. Oh, actually I have an idea why I might be doing it. Instead of changing current page, we might want to change new page and see if that fixes it. Let's test that theory. Because basically there's two different scoreboards. One detects if you've changed the page, and one detects where it just holds the value of the current one. So if we switch the one we're changing, that might fix it. Well, it didn't fix it, which is a shame. Well, it was worth a try. Okay, let's go back to our other tests then. What if we do this? Yeah, let's try that. My Skyblock remake, when I join, it makes me join a random seed. Make sure you're in Minecraft Java Edition 1.16. That's the only possible thing I can think of which might cause it. I don't know. Okay, no, that didn't fix it either. Okay, I'm really stumped now. Okay, so let's go into menus, sheets, get items, other, main. So this is the test menu we're using. And let's see what might be the reason. Actually, it might just be a flaw with this specific menu. Yeah, I think it might be. So if I go like this, let's change it to a different menu and see if it also causes it, because I think it might just be that menu I designed was designed poorly. So yeah, let's go menus, open menus, and pick a different menu just to test. So we can go to 19, the crafting table, for example, and let's see if that works. Okay, so let's change that to 19, and then if I right click this guy, yeah, as you can see, it doesn't give us the items. So yeah, it was just that menu. And if this should function. Yeah, so now hypothetically we've just created an NPC which is a chest, which is a crafting table, sorry. So yeah, it's working. I think that's a success. I don't know what I'm trying to craft right now, but yeah, it's working. So all we have to do is create a menu, and then you run this command here to assign that menu to an NPC, and then you can right click the NPC to open it. It's not perfect, I've noticed. Like, if I look over here, occasionally I have to right click twice to open it. So I might have to do, I guess, actually, no, it seems fine. I might have to do a bit of work on the ray tracing, but I think it's mainly a success. I think we can start making some menus, guys. So let's make the mine merchant menu for example purposes, I guess. So let's go to the bottom of here. Let's duplicate this. Page 164. And let's create a shop. So we'll go NPCs, menus, shop, and let's just create a shop called Mine Merchant. Get it open, and we can do this. So we've now initiated our Mine Merchant thing to an ID of 164. Yeah, and then we also want to do this. Paste that here. So I'm just going to add this line to each of these. There we go. Remove that. Yeah, let's give this a try. So, if we reload. Yep. If we reload, we can then give our NPC a value of 164, which is the value which we've assigned to the mine merchant shop. If I look at this guy, yeah, as you can see, it opens our menu. So obviously this isn't what the shop looks like. I just copy and pasted the armor shop. So as you can see right now, if I click these, I'm getting armors. But yeah, we can now change these to be the items from the shop, right? So first of all, we'll change this bottom bit here, which will be here. So we're changing red stained glass, because that's the glass of our 𝐭𝐡𝐞𝐫 𝐋𝐢𝐳 to black. We'll also move the next page where you can. People are saying rip stream. I hope it's not broken. Are you good? Please say you're good. If you can hear me, I don't know, type 12.5, I don't know. Okay, people are saying they're back, so I'll assume you're good. Okay, as I was saying, I don't know when you guys... Okay, that's enough 12.5, thanks you everyone. Thank you, you can stop typing 12.5 now. But yeah, what I was trying to say is we need to have a look at the shop now, because we want to actually start making it look like the same thing, right? And also, while I'm on Hypixel, this is your brief opportunity to friend me quickly if you want to. Yeah, I mean, I don't have YouTube rank yet, so it's not really a flex having me as a friend, but I remember back in the day, a couple of years ago, I always wanted to have a YouTuber on my friends list, you know, how exciting. But so yeah, if you want to, you guys can. Yeah, so this is what the shop looks like. It doesn't have a close button or any of that, so we need to modify that. We'll also remove these. Yeah, and then change this. No, change all of this. Can you lower your bitrate? Yeah, you might have to explain what that is. I'm a bit of a noob. Okay, we'll add our sell button. So that was a hopper, I believe. Oh, wrong Minecraft. Yes, yeah, so it's a hopper which says sell item as its name. So yeah, we want to change its barrier to a hopper. Display name, sell item, and that's in green. One step closer to being playable, the more playable the better. I could not agree more, yeah. It's the kind of thing which is, you know, it's quite a small thing, you know. Personally, I don't that often go to like the mine merchant shop to buy something, but it really just brings the remake more to life, you know. It feels so much closer to the original when you can just walk up to an NPC and open the menu. So yeah, what was the lore of this? This was... Keep opening the wrong Minecraft. It said click items in your inventory to sell them. Okay, I need to add lore then. This item currently doesn't have any. Which is this stuff. Add it here. So it says, oops, just knocked my mic. Click items in, what was it again? That was a lowercase I. click items in your inventory too. Are you using Python? No, I am using the default Minecraft command code language, whatever you want to call it. It's the stuff you type into chat. The commands in chat, I'm basically making out of those. So click items in your inventory too, sell them to this shop. Sell them to this shop. Full stop. Oh, exclamation mark actually. And for now, I don't want to make that right now. So for now, I'm just going to add coming soon text underneath it. So people know they can't sell items. Obviously we will create it, but that's going to be quite a tricky task. So for now, as I said, we're just going to add coming soon. And we'll add that red and bold. Bold, true. And then we can remove this stuff. Sell button coming soon. Very nice. Visual Studio, yes, this is Visual Studio, VS Code. So the language is Minecraft commands, and then inside Visual Studio is where I'm writing the commands. Yeah, so let's finish off this menu then. Okay, we have a couple of options, chat. I kind of need to load both versions of Minecraft at the same time, but this might like crash my stream with how laggy it'll be. We'll test. If my stream crashes, I love you all. Let's see what happens. We seem to be good. Fingers crossed we're good. But yeah, anyway, as I was saying, hopefully the stream isn't dead. I'll just keep going assuming it isn't. If I open this menu right here... Oh, have I broken something in the time that I opened it? Yeah, I did. What did I do? Okay, I messed up the lore of these items. I think. Is that what I did? Oh, down here. Okay, that should fix it then, maybe. Okay, it seemed to have fixed the error then. I haven't got anything in my logs. Yeah. So as I was saying, as you can see now, it's kind of... We've got our sell item button now, which if I click at the moment, all it's doing is saying sell item in the chat. But yeah, we have two options, as I was saying. We can either keep it as is right now, so we've got a 9x2 grid of items in the shop, or we can make it look a bit more like Hypixel's version, because in Hypixel they've got this black bar around the outside. But in ours, as you can see, we don't. But if we did do that, we'd only have these slots. So it's either have the bars and only have 7 items per page, or don't have the bars and have 18 items for sale per page. Does that make sense? So yeah, let me know, say bar or no bar. Yeah, we'll see what the most popular vote is. Can't you do double chest? No, unfortunately we can't. Okay, I think it's mostly no bars. Seven slots are enough for a lot of NPCs. That's a good point. Let's have a look. If there's not many, or this one for example, you would need several pages for, which would kind of suck. No, I think we'll have no bars. No bars does seem like a popular... People are asking for an official poll. Okay, we'll do a straw poll. People don't like Twitter polls for some reason because lots of people don't have Twitter, I guess. We'll do straw poll, and then I'll put it in chat and everyone can make your vote. Okay, here we are. I'm getting up straw poll. So, create poll. Title. We'll say... Oh, YouTube poll, is that a thing? Oh no, there's community polls, but I think that will be a bit confusing. We'll do this quickly. What bar? I'm basically talking about... So in their version, they've got this black bar around the outside. And we need to know whether we do that. Because if we did that, we wouldn't have that many slots. We'd only have 7 slots, these ones here, to actually have items for sale inside of. But if we don't, we've got so much more space per page. Yeah, we'll do a poll. Do we... Is it going to enter? I think this browser's like... Oh, there we go. Do we keep or remove the black bars around the menu shop? Oh, thank you very much to Bill Griffith for subscribing. Appreciate it. Yeah, if you have public subscriptions on, it should appear on the stream. So yeah, that's the question, and the answers are, number 1, keep bars, remove bars. Create poll. Yeah, okay, so I'll put this in chat. I'll spam it a little bit, and make sure if you want to vote, you do. I'll also pin that, so you should be able to get your vote. Personally, I think we should remove them. So that's what I'm going to vote for. Let's see what the results are. It's probably too early for... Oh, we've already got almost 100 votes. So yeah, cast your vote if you're interested. Well, so far, remove is the winner so far. But the question is keep bars going to recover? It is. It's not too strong of a winner. You know, 25% for keep bars is still pretty good. Okay, well, for now I'm going to assume that's a remove bars, but I'll refresh in a minute and see if we've lost. But I doubt we will. I think that's a winner for keep bars. Oh, remove bars, sorry, remove. Okay, let's do it. So, to remove them... Well, they're already removed, actually. We wouldn't have to do anything. I've just realised. I was about to say let's remove them then, but there's nothing to remove. So, yeah. Oh, we are getting more keep bar votes, though. It's now 30 to 70%. Okay, well, we'll remove the bars then. So, yeah, we'll keep it like this. So now we're making our mine menu, right? So we may as well just start adding our items. Yeah, I think so. So, to do that, if I get a piece of coal, for example, I don't have any of the increases the speed of your mining menu text, so I'll have to add that too. Yeah, I will. Okay, so we're going to go to Cheats, Loot Tables, Menu, Shop. We're going to create a new folder called Shop, and we're going to copy one of these just for testing purposes, and we're going to name this mine_merchant in here. So this is our loot table, and we're going to use this instead of our current one. So we're going to name this shop/mine_merchant. Yep, and then we can change the content to this so it's actually correct. So first things first, let's go back to here. So we have coal, iron, gold, rookie pickaxe. I think I've already got these pickaxes in the game, so that should be fine. But yeah, we want to modify this loot table for our new menu. So let me get up a loot table editor on my other monitor, just so I can make sure I'm doing everything correctly. So we want to have set law, this, add. Yeah, I think that's what we want. So the first line is brewing ingredient. Unfortunately, we're going to have to manually add these items, which is going to be slightly painful. Brewing ingredient. And that will be in dark_grey, metallic false. And we should be able to keep going like that. So let me copy this. This. Yeah, this is what we want to copy. Nice. And then we compress that a bit. Okay, let's just see if that worked. Okay, so we now got our piece of coal there. It didn't do the italics. Let me fix that. Italic false. Okay, so let's add the lines of this. Okay, the next line is increase I. That really bothers me how it's lowercase there, lowercase I. But that's what it is in the real version, so we have to copy it. Increases the speed of and that's in grey. Your minion, did it say? Your minion by 5%. Yep, here, 5%. And that's in green. For 30 minutes. Exclamation mark. Yeah, and then we've got an empty line, like so. And another line which says common in all capitals. Common in white and bold. Okay, what I'm going to do also is go into, I'm going to copy this loot table. I'm going to go loot tables, get items, materials. Vanilla. And I'll paste coal into here. And we're going to remove all this. Like so. this is basically going to be this kind of thing. So if I paste this in, what we're doing here is we are creating a loot table, which is actually going to be the item you get given. So we need to make this in a loot table instead of just a /give command because, well, it has all this custom MBT. Seems like a slow process, says Jero. Yeah, it will be. Well, the thing is, it's more complicated for these vanilla items than it is for the custom ones, because the custom ones we've already got built in. So that would be extremely easy to add these to the menu fast. But for this kind of thing, I've got to type it out. But we do have some great devs, so fingers crossed some of them might be maybe willing to help me out with this. I don't know. Yep, we can remove this. And also you have to remember, even though it's quite slow for this, this is the first item we're doing, so afterwards I can copy and paste this and use this as a template. Yeah, so this is probably the most time-consuming item we have to do. I'm being told to answer DMs, so let me quickly do that. I don't know what I'm answering to, I can't see anything. Okay, well, Dark, let me know what you were saying, because I can't see any message in the server chat. But yeah, soon we'll go onto the server and test the server out. Dark says how long? Yeah, it'll be over 50 minutes until we go onto the server. It'll probably be around 15 minutes. Maybe a little bit less, I don't know. We'll do this item and then we'll go onto that test server. So yeah, whoever here wasn't here at the beginning of the stream, I'll quickly explain because you'll be a bit confused. Basically, we're kind of cutting this stream into two parts. So we've been coding for the past, well, almost 2 hours. And then we're also going to be going onto a server, which a couple of my Discord members, friends have been developing. And we're just going to try it out. And we'll all be able to join and stuff, so it'll be fun. I misspelled common, I'm being told. Where? Where did I misspell common? I don't know where I'm looking, so if you can help me out, that'd be good. Oh, down here. Oh, right. Thank you, everyone. Thank you. Yeah. Okay, nice. That looks good to me. So yeah, if I go /reload, /loot, give attest loot sheets, get items, materials /vanilla coal. So there you go. Now we've got our coal in game, as you can see here. If I run this command, I get it. And we want to... Oh, I'm getting sent to limbo or something. That's alright. So yeah, we're going to go back to here now. And we can do something like this. Yeah. So now we can actually... go... Okay, we need to go back to here. The second it kicks us, we need to use it. That's annoying. So let's go back to our mine merchant fella. Can we join the server? If so, what is the IP? The server we're going to test in a minute, which my Discord have been working on. I'll send the IP soon, but that's got nothing to do with Hypixel Skyblock. They've been doing their own kind of thing. Okay, so underneath this, we basically need to save the cost. So we're going to have empty line. Like so. And then it's going to say cost. Cost. And that's in grey. Then it says 8 coins. 8 coins. Gold. And then another empty line. And then it says click to trade. Right click for more trading options. For now, we'll just do click to trade because I don't. In the next version, I'm not going to have the more options probably. Well, maybe we'll see. But for now, I'll just right click to trade. And no, I've changed my mind already. I'm going to add the other text too. Right click for more trading options. Exclamation mark. And that's in yellow. Right, yeah. Okay. And finally, if I go up here and do this. Okay, I think we've added coal. But it won't actually take our money yet, so we need to quickly do that too. And then we'll be done for today. So if I right click Sky, as you can see, ignore the second item, that's irrelevant. For this first item, as you can see, all the lore is correct. And if I click it... Oh, actually I've broken it. Okay, slightly awkward. Okay, we need to make it so you can't take the item out of the menu, which is done like so. Skyblock menu 1B. Now, as I was saying, oops, that's bad line. Slash reload. Okay, so now if we click. Oh, I see. Okay, we're mostly good. Let me quickly undo something. There we go. And put that back. Okay, let's try this again. Duplication glitch, yep. I'm quite good at making those. Okay, now when you left click, for some reason the first click doesn't register, but other than that, it's working. But we need to also make it charge you. Okay. Well, we can do that pretty simply. What we'll have to do is go back to menu, NPC, just trying to think. I was going to make a function for each item, but I think that'd be quite a bad idea in the long term. So instead we're going to create one called can afford test. So the can afford test. And what we'll basically do is, if I go back into here, yeah. We're going to do this. So we're going to go, first of all, we're going to run our can afford test function. So that is Minecraft function menu colon. Well, it's this actually. And then it's can afford test. Yeah, like so. I'm just trying to think if there's a better way to do this, but I think we're good. So cool. Thank you, Quentin. Yeah, I will try this for now. So we're going to create a scoreboard. Another one. So NPC item cost. And then here we're going to go scoreboard players set at S's item cost, and it was, so you get 2. Oh yeah, it's 2, not 1. We need to change that too. Yes, it's 2 for 8 coins. So we're going to set the cost to 8. Yeah. Looks good to me. And in here, so in our can afford test function, we're going to say execute if score matches. I've changed my mind again. Chat, I have changed my mind again. So to get the player's money, you need to do, I think it's stored in an armor stand actually. Yeah, it's stored in an armor stand. So if I go, yeah, so if I go public islands, yeah, so if I go coin/reset coins, just have a look at how I did it again. Still trying to find it. I can't remember where I was looking anymore. Oh yeah, reset 𝐎𝐭𝐡𝐞𝐫 coins, like so. Oh, it's stored here. So yeah, it is, what we'd want to do is scoreboard players operation at S's this equals 𝐎𝐭𝐴 coins. Like so. And we want to do this several times. Like so. And like so. Oh no, that didn't work. Okay, there you go. Now we'll work with all islands. Okay, we want to change this again actually. Execute if entity nearest player. And here we go run, space run. How are you? I am good, thank you. Yeah, so run scoreboard players operation at S. There we go. Execute ifs at S's. Change this again. As you can tell, I can't not make my mind up what I want to do. So if that score greater than or equal to equal to attes's thing, run, tag, attest, add, purchase successful. NPC purchase successful, or success. And at the bottom of here, we'll just tag attest, remove. Tag attest, remove NPC purchase successful. And okay, I'm happy with that, I think. Okay, I think I'm happy with that. And this can say if tag equals success. And then to actually remove the coins, I think I can go scoreboard players. So to add coins, you go scoreboard players set attest's add coins 5 or something. As you can see, I'm going up by 5. If I do -5, is that going to work? No, it's not. Maybe I can adjust it so it will work. If that makes any sense. So let's check the main here. Okay, if I can just do this, -1. I think I should be able to fix it. So if I go -5 now, as you can see, I can actually remove coins too. And I can do that in here. I can go scoreboard players, operation, attest's add coins is equal to the cost of the item. There we go. So we remove the coins. And then what also happens when you buy it, probably makes a sound or something, right? Let's see. Yeah, it just makes like a dingy sound. Nothing in chat or anything like that, but it dings. Okay, so that ding sound, I can't remember exactly what that ding sound is, but I think I've already got it somewhere. Because I think it does the same noise for when you do a trade. If anyone knows it, just let me know in chat. You might be able to tell me before I find it. No, I think it's this. I think. Let's see. It's quite quiet. Let me turn it up. Okay, that's the sound, and then this is the sound when I clicked it. Yeah, that's the same thing. That's the same thing. Okay, nice. I can turn this down again. So yeah, we'll also play the sound. So we'll cling to the player. Okay, let's try this. I don't know if it'll work or not, but let's see. Sounds different. I think it just sounds different because it was at a different volume. It sounded pretty similar to me. But maybe I'm just dumb. I don't know. Okay, let's see this. Well, it's making the ding noise, but it's not removing the coins. I wonder why that is. Oh, well, first of all, it's because I'm giving it two reasons. Number one, I was trying to add coins, not subtract the coins. And number two, I was giving it to the minecart, or the menu, not the player. So let's try that again. Hopefully a bit more success now. Nice, okay, it took them. And it won't let me take them when I can't afford it. Okay, what happens when you can't afford? Let me store my coins on real Skyblock. Okay, let's see. Okay, it says you do not have enough coins in chat and stuff. You don't have enough coins. Tell raw. Nearest player. Text. You don't have enough coins. Color. Red. And it also plays like the villager sound. Which I also have somewhere, I think. Yeah, villager no. There you go, so let's try that then. Okay, let's see. Oh no, that doesn't sound the exact same. Oh no, it does. It just sometimes alternates. That might be quite quiet for you guys, but that definitely is the correct sound. Oh hey, Ronok in chat. Okay, nice. That's working. There's a couple of things to flatten out, like adding the rest of the stuff and all that. But let's go try out the server now. Let's see if they're ready. Let me see. Okay, yeah, they're ready. So basically, if you guys have just joined, or don't remember what I was talking about, some of my... Sorry, let me just close all this stuff. So yeah, basically. Oh yeah, 2 coal as well. I need to make it 2 coal, not 1 coal. Where was I? Yeah, so basically some of my Discord friends and people on my Discord server, they've been working on a server and they wanted us to try it out, and I think it'll be really fun. So let me just double check I'm okay to give you the IP, but this is it right here. Let me see, can I give IP? Can I give IP when ready? I'll probably explore just before I give the IP, but yeah, I think it'd be really fun if we take a look. Okay, yeah, let's quickly take a look. And then I'll give you guys the IP, but it is really cool. Oh, I'm in creative. Game mode, survival, or adventure. Okay, let's have a look. Okay, they're bullying me already, which is nice to see. But yeah, look how cool this is. Actually, it might be better if I was in Spectator to have a look. Well, they built this really cool map. And yeah, so my knowledge of this is basically they've made a mega Bed Wars game. So out of 80 people, which is pretty awesome. We had a couple of issues last time because we didn't have a good enough PC to actually run it, but a good enough server to run it. It kind of lagged out, but hopefully we've got a good enough run, but we can actually get this going. And we can try out an 80-man mega Bed Wars game with all you guys, which will be pretty awesome if it does work. Yeah, so let me quickly give the IP then. Okay, here it is. I think there's probably a nicer one, a nicer code. But this is it. Let's see how many of you guys we can get on. See if we can max it out. It's version 1.16 as well. It might work on different versions, but we'll see. Yeah, I think it'll be a really nice way to end off the stream. We've done a lot of really productive coding. Whitelists are being told. Read the storyboard, man. Where am I looking? Oh, over here. It's really dark. Can we make it day, please? If anybody on the server's listening. Okay, yeah, whitelist. Okay, we'll unwhitelist it in 2 seconds, guys. I think they just want me to read this first, if I can even see it. So this server was meant to be a blue 10k special, but we couldn't complete it in time. And then we thought we'd make it a 25k special, and the same thing happened. And we released it in a stream for some test games, and the server crashed because Pink is bald. And we are here now. Let's see what happened today. Okay, awesome. So yeah, that's basically a concise version of what I was trying to explain to you guys. But yeah, let's see what happens. Fingers crossed. It will work now. Okay, the whitelist is off, so feel free to try join, guys. Welcome, everyone. We've already got a ton of people coming in. I don't know why I've got the glowing effect. Clear. Okay, we're already lagging. This might be a problem. Okay, well, I'm going to try join the Mega Walls lobby. Or Mega Bed Wars, sorry. Too many people? Oh no. Oh no, we might have lagged it out again. We increased the server, but maybe it's still not good enough. Oh no. I have a bad feeling about this, guys. Oh no. Someone was kicked for no fault. Yeah, and for phase. Okay, well this might be another fail maybe, I'm not sure. Maybe another fail, I'm not sure. Let me read their chats. Let's see what they say. Oh no. It was going so well. Too many people trying to join. Yeah, the server's being extremely laggy right now. I can barely stand it. I keep getting teleported back to the same spot. Okay, well. Okay, they say they're going to try and remove some of their They're going to try and remove the anti-cheat because they think that's what's causing the problems. Okay, so yeah, they're going to try and make a couple changes, see if it works out or not. Sorry guys, sorry. Blue hacking? Yep, that's me. Big hacker. Bad idea trying to remove the anti-cheat? Yeah, maybe. Hopefully we don't have any hackers in this community. I trust you guys. Blue be less popular. I don't know how many players we have online right now. I don't know what's causing all the lag. It might be 1.82, I'm not sure how many. I think they might have VIA version, which means you can have various, like several versions, I'm not sure. But I just opened it at 1.16 without thinking, so I'm not sure. Okay, I timed out. Let's see how many players are on right now. Reload. Okay, well it says paper 1.12, but I could still join before. Does that mean I now need to switch to 1.12, or is... I don't know, we'll see. We'll see what's going on. Okay, well I think they're quickly restarting it. Can't connect 1.12. I think the server just might be temporarily down right now. It's 1.8 to 1.16, I'm being told. And it's also restarting right now, yeah. So we should maybe be good. And hopefully that'll fix it. If not, we'll have to try again another time. This is second attempt, as I said, so maybe third time's the charm, who knows. It'll be a shame if it doesn't work, but it's not their fault, you know. It's quite hard for them to play test this many people until we do it for real. All the people saying 1.12, I think even though it says 1.12, you can use it from 1.8 to 1.16 once the server gets back up, I think. Oh no, it does say 1.12 when I try join. Outdated server, please use 1.12. I think that might be a bug, but just in case, I'll load up 1.12 then, I guess. I don't know why it'd be 1.12 only. And they say it's 1.8 to 1.16, but yeah, I'm just going to try it. Do I have a 1.12 version? No. Let me quickly create one. 1.12. Can I even see a 1.12? 1.12.2. It's open. I'm on 1. Oh, everyone's getting in now without me. No. No. I need to quickly load up my game then. That error is because the plugin's still loading? Right, okay. Well, I'm now loading my version, so I wasn't patient enough to wait. I can close a couple of my other stuff while I'm waiting. Everyone's saying it's working, I think. Okay, I'm excited if it is. 73 people on line right now. Let's join. Are we still lagging, or are we... let me fix my hotkeys while I'm waiting. Don't question my really weird hotkeys, okay. I can already sense that somebody's probably typing something about this. Well, it seems a lot less laggy than it was. Oh, 62 people in. Let's try to join. Can I get in? Oh, this is looking positive. Okay, this is a lot less laggy than it was before, so I'm feeling good about this. Hello everyone in chat. Okay, well it's a shame I didn't move to 1.8 instead of 1.12 because PvP and all that. But... okay, we've got 80 people on. That's crazy. That was so fast. Okay, well let's hope it works. What are those hotkeys? Yep, as expected. Thanks, guinea pig. It was the anti-cheat apparently which was causing the lag. But if we see any cheaters, we can always ban you. So please don't. Okay, we've got 3 minutes till it starts. I wonder if there's a way to like force start it. Okay, nice, it's starting, this is exciting. We started? Okay, is there... Okay, can we get items? Oh no, there's so many of us. I haven't got any items yet. this is crazy. Okay. What's the song? I can't remember. While I'm getting some materials, I can look for you. I can't pick up the items either. Some people are saying they can't. I think some people are getting them, but it doesn't have the system on Hypixel where everyone gets the item. But it's fine. I'm sure eventually I'll get some items. Okay, for the person who was asking for the song, that song was... it was called Dreams by 𝐎𝐭𝐡𝐞𝐫 𝐋𝐢𝐬𝐬. Okay, has anyone on my team got items? Because I'm still terrible. Silica accidentally left. Oh, I got some items. Let's go. I've got my first items. This is insane. Okay, well I'll just have to go with what I've got. Is there a an NPC? Oh, is it all the way over there? Okay, let's see. Okay, I've got 16 wool. Let's see if that's enough. Oh, I've got some more stuff. Oh, that's loads. Let's get that. Can I see the NPC? Here we go. I guess there'll be quite large bridges, so... There you go. Some people can have some blocks. There you go, guys. Okay, let's see what we can do. Okay, I'm excited to get in combat. And die immediately. Oh, so many people on the tab list. Are we going to be the first to mid? We might. Oh no, this is just like a sub-mid. This map's so crazy. Okay, let's go, guys. We can do this. Can I join? Yeah, sure. I've pinned the IP, although they've given me a better one. Apparently there's like a nice Word version, so I'll put that in chat and pin that instead. There you go. Okay, let's go. Let's get... Ooh, oh. That was stressful. I almost knocked myself into the void. Or got knocked into the void. Oh, goodbye. Bye. Oh, that poor guy was about to get to mid and fell in. Okay, we're in mid. Are we the first? I think we are. Okay, we control mid. This is good. Okay, nice, nice. What version is it? 1.8 to 1.16. Oh, we got our first time. Oh no, yellow's coming. Help me. No, I died. Okay, let's get some resources then. Hello, everyone. Commentary of the century. Yeah. What can I say? I'm just a pro. Okay, let's try again. We probably don't need as many blocks this time because we've got a direct path to mid. Okay, that'll do. Oh, we're building a little path over here. What's my render distance? Turn that up a bit. Stream sniping is bad. Yeah, I think we've been fine so far, so fingers crossed. Oh, we just got a ton of upgrades, that's good. Do we try rush their base? I think we might. Well, I mean, I don't have anywhere near enough blocks to do it, but I'll start anyway. What is this? Yeah, sorry, if you've just joined, you're probably a bit confused. We're basically the end of the stream, more or less. So we thought we'd end off by trying out this really cool server some of my Discord members have built. Yeah, it's basically a massive Bed Wars game. Thank you. Yeah, so we've got 80 people in one Bed Wars game. And it's like... I guess they've got one similar, I think, on Hypixel. But I think theirs is like, oh, there's two teams and you're playing against each other. This is like a normal Bed Wars game, but just with a ton of people. Oh, free sword, that's good. Oh, someone got a shield. Okay, I literally got 0 blocks then, but it's fine. There you go, you can have my blocks, my stuff. Oh. You can have these too. No, not that. I want that. Oh, I've just lost everything. Okay. Accidentally gave my sword away. Oh, this could be helpful. Oh, we can get some iron armor. Oh, never mind. The costs are different. Well, I'll go stand on the gen. Oh wait, what's this broadcast saying? Oh, okay, never mind. That's... It's so hard to get materials. There's a green guy cheating, just saying. If we've got any mods of the server on, maybe they can look into it. See if they see anyone. Let's go back to mid, see what happens. Protect the president. Oh. Okay, I got someone. Nice, nice, nice. Oh, someone's running. Let's see if we can get any diamonds from mid. No, 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 no. Yes, team! Teamwork right there. I think so. Yeah, we killed him. Okay, that's one. Oh no, person. And I'm low. Let's just grab diamonds and run. Oh, this is a ton. Okay, I'm dipping. Let's get out of here. Oh, there's TNT going off. Ah! No, 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 no. Oh, we died. We were so close. Blue PvP. Yeah, jokes aside, I actually did have my username as Blue PvPs for a little bit, so... But no. My PvP days are over. Okay, we've got a bit of stuff. Blue fails at PvP. Yeah, that's probably more accurate. Oh, one off the sword. Okay, well someone else can have this stuff. Maybe they can use it. There you go. Let's storm Yellow's base. Hopefully they're not all listening in. I probably just ruined any chance I had of surprising people. Oh, someone's saying in chat yellow's going to win for sure. Did that guy just try? Ooh. Oh, they're here. Oh, that guy is dying inside his own block. That's fun. Oh, that was a massive fail. Did you code this? No, some people on my Discord server coded it. Basically, it was meant to be a 10k. What was it, 10k? I think it was a 10k surprise, but then they were nowhere near ready by 10k. Then it was meant to be 25k surprise, and yeah, now it's finally ready. So they wanted to show me. Maybe if the whole team... The thing is, we've got an advantage, right? Because the other teams, they can't really coordinate, but we have the power to coordinate. If I said, okay, if any reds are listening, come meet me by the item shop here, and we can go storm yellow together. I only just realised this. Okay, so yeah, if you're red, come meet me here. And we can have an invasion. Oh, thank you. Okay, a couple more blocks then, I guess. Yellow's coming. Oh no. Well, we're all here, so... I can't get the guy. There you go. Okay, we're all here. Let's go. I think we should go. I think we all charge this way. Quick. Army, run. Look at this. This is an unstoppable force right here. They've got no chance of getting through this. Oh no. They should have, at the moment there's... Oh! We're not mentioning that, chat. Pretend that never happened. Okay, well you guys can go on without me. I'll follow them behind. That's humiliating. Trap triggered? Oh no. We're all trying to kill yellow, but they're just going to kill us. We got him. Nice. Okay, let's try take yellow. It's going to be quite hard when I can't even build with blocks, but we'll try our best. Oh, I've got Ugandan with me. Ooh. Oh, trap triggered again. Hopefully there's someone to protect it. It's too late for me to run back. Okay, here we go. It's the closest I've got to anybody's base, so maybe we can do this. Yes, Ugandan. Oh, did he just 2v1 us? He did. The server is full. Yeah, I think at the moment it's got like 100 player capacity. I don't know how I don't know how this game's ever going to end. Like, I don't see anybody ever being able to take someone's base. Even our massive storm didn't work, so I'm not sure how we're ever going to do this. Oh, yellow are trying something. Let's see. Hello, Ugandan again. Hopefully together we could do something. Oh, I see a big blue sign on yellow's base. Does that say blue? Yeah, hi blue. Hello, whoever built that. Oh, we've got some fellow red. They have... Okay, there's no way I could even get into that. Is it possible to make custom AI using a data pack? Yeah, for sure. Oh, I was looking away for 2 seconds and I died. Here's the question, chat. Do I abuse? do I do it? I just be like, oh, / game mode. Shh, chat, nothing's happening. Nothing's happening. Nothing's happening, everybody. Oh, I got here all by myself. Oh wow, he can't hit me. I feel so mean. I feel so bad for that guy. Okay, we'll go out, I feel bad for him. Okay, there we go. I've still got my diamond sword, but other than that... Oh, here's a hacker. That guy's definitely hacking. We need an instant replay on that. I'm pretty sure he just like B-hopped or something. Or maybe I'm just going insane. Yeah, let's spice this up. I've got an idea. Oops, I didn't mean to just open up my Discord. Give at all players. What should we give everybody? I'm not sure what we should do. I wanna... Give at all players. We'll give everybody... Oh, that didn't even work. That didn't even work. Okay, all players doesn't work. How do you do the give command with plugins installed? Is it a start? Okay, I don't know how to. Any experts out there know how to do it? / Minecraft give. Okay, let me try this. / Minecraft give at all players. Dirt. There we go. Oh, I put them on the wrong monitor. There we go. Every player has got some dirt. This is exactly what we needed. So there we go. The best type of abusing. Abusing, but everyone gets the benefits. Oh, that's my team. What else should we give everyone? We'll give everyone else a diamond pickaxe. We'll give everyone diamond tools. Otherwise, we'll be here all day. Okay, there's a lot of people here, but I'm just going to run straight past them and pretend they're not there. Oh, somebody's bed actually got destroyed. Wow. Give everyone god swords. Oh, wait, what? Everyone's bed is immediately getting destroyed after I gave diamond stuff. Including ours, it seems like, maybe. Okay, we can defend, we can defend. Yes, team. Oh, let's go. That's a kill. Was there someone here or did we kill them? Go on, chat. What do you think we should give people? Give me some suggestions. We'll give everyone it. I don't know how to do enchantments on 1.12, so I can't do enchants, but diamond sword, why not? 64 fireballs. I don't know if the vanilla fireballs work in this, though. I don't know how to do that. Oh, and people are roaring. the admins are making me say stuff in chat. A one-hit sword. Yeah, I don't know how to do stuff like that because this is 1.12 now. If I was on 1.16, I could basically do anything. Strike. Oh yeah, we could give potions. / give / effect all players strength 3. Oh, I did 3 seconds instead of. Okay, we'll do 3 minutes of strength 3. There we go, everyone. But yeah, this Bed Wars remake is really cool. The Discord team did such a cool job. Wait, is that my bed which was just destroyed? Yeah, it was. Oh no. That probably means I'm about to die, but... Is anybody here or are we safe? I think we're safe. I'm kind of concerned about that guy over there, actually. Oh no. Ah, no, I died. I died. That is an L. Oh no. Well, I'd love to go and finish watching the end of the game, but I'm being told many times now that I've got to go eat. So I'm going to have to end the stream here, everybody. But this is super fun. Maybe we can make this a regular thing. At the end of each stream, we can play a game. What do you guys think? Let's have some hearts in the chat. Appreciation for the team who made this. This is really cool. Oh, we spectators. We're the spectator gang. But yeah, we'll have to end the stream here. These guys can finish off their game in their own time. But I've got to go eat. So, have a great day, everyone. Enjoy the rest of your day. Make sure to subscribe if you're watching and you aren't currently subscribed. And yeah, bye, everyone.